Hello guys, my name is Arjun. I'm one of the proudest students of SSCC. I joined this tuition about a year ago and now I got my recent 10th board results, ICSE 10th, and I got 88% in boths. And I'm very satisfied with my marks. And this all happened because I had a strong support of SSCC. They helped me get through each and every single subject which I have joined there. And more than that, they helped in other subjects also, which we never expected. And it was unlike a school. We had all other activities like sports day, annual day, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja. Everything was there. It was just like another school. But the way they teach you here is different because each and every faculty is selected with specified people, and the way they teach you is very effective. Like you can understand it easily. It is very satisfying to know that the subject which we thought is tough is easy actually. This happened as I joined the tuition and I felt it really easy, and joined this tuition because it's very good, and I guarantee you results because I've been there in that place because I worked hard. They make us work really hard, but you'll reap the benefits at the end. So it's very good. Join this tuition. SSCC is known for knowledge.